Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this Magma Psychodus in Fish It. So the Magma Psychodus has officially arrived in the new Kana expansion. And in here, I'm going to show you the location, the best enchantment to use again these armor types, and also the exact locations. So let's just get started. So I've already inside the Volcanic Cavern. So to get the Magma Psychodus, you can try to fish in this exact location. So this is where I got the mythic fish in the volcanic cavern. I got 3 mythic fish in this location behind the lava dweller. And as for the road that I use, I'm using the element road with storm hunter and also curse enchantments, and also I'm using the singularity bait as the bobber. So that's pretty much all. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.